actually cannot believe it is come to this day, but I'm moving out of my apartment. What's really interesting is that I still don't have a place to live. So my tenancy is over. We've been flat hunting for the past 2 months and we've been offering a lot and we just lost all the rounds. I don't even want to go into it, but yeah, moving out without a flat should be interesting. So I'll be going home for a little bit and I'll be storing my stuff with Love Space, who is the sponsor of this video. So really big shout out to them for helping me. For you watching, however, you will be seeing me moving into my new apartment, which I don't even know where it is yet or how it looks. We're in the flat! We got the keys. Let me show you guys a little bit around. So I wanted to combine both the move out and the move in one video because I think that's fun. Okay, now I think we're gonna start packing up my bedroom first because there's a lot of stuff that I don't really need to have on a daily basis there. So the big plan for today is tackling the bedroom. I've already got rid of my shelving unit. A lovely girl came to pick it up. The next logical step is tackling the wardrobe. I'm gonna get my luggage out so I can start packing down stuff that I'm gonna bring home to Norway. And then I'm also gonna bring a box out to pack stuff that is not gonna go home with me, but is going to go to the next flat that we move into. There is quite a bit of stuff here. Yeah. Surprisingly heavy. So we've officially reached the most fun part of this video, which will be removing this foil that I put onto my desk. If you remember my video where I decorated my desk area, this desk is actually black. We're gonna be taking this off to leave the property in the state that we found it in. So actually surprisingly easy. This slides off very nicely and there's no marks. Today I am moving out of my kitchen and my bathroom, so I need to bring a box in. Stop! I now only have 5 boxes left, so we need to use these sparingly. But I think it's gonna be fine because I don't really have that much stuff in the kitchen or the living room area, which we'll be packing down tomorrow, so it should be fine, but just in case we're gonna fill them up. I gotta say though, I feel like I have become very handy at packing down boxes very quickly. Good morning. It is moving day, which means we're moving today. Movers are coming in between 1 and 3 hours. It is 7 a.m. That's why I look tired. They're coming very early. I needed to make coffee and then pack up this whole area. Sad. This is probably the area that holds like the most sentimental value for me, like these shelves. I've had so much fun decorating these. I've always sat at the dinner table facing this way. So like every day I've seen this area, I've seen it change over the seasons, and now I have to dismantle it and I'm never seeing it again. So that's kind of sad. Yeah, let's start taking this apart. Final part that we're taking apart. This is so sad. I don't even know where to start. Look, it's all empty and this is all that's remaining. I don't want to take it apart, but the mover is coming in like 20 minutes, so I definitely need to. Okay, we're all packed up. I just need to close this one. So let's talk a little bit about Lovespace, who is helping me move out of my flat and store my stuff for a month. Lovespace is the UK's biggest storage by the box company, helping students like me store their belongings over the summer or the academic holidays. As you know, I will be traveling back to Norway for a month in a few days, so Lovespace is super handy. Lovespace essentially works by paying for storage of each box that you store. In my case, that's 12 boxes. You can also get help packaging up your space. You can order packing materials, and you can even rent out an entire storage room if you need to. Just go to lovespace.com, book your free collection, decide how long you want to store your stuff for, and order the return boxes whenever and wherever you feel like it. So yeah, as I said, a Lovespace driver is coming to pick up my stuff in about half an hour, and then all these boxes will be stored for a month and delivered to my new address. And if you want to store with Lovespace too, use the code Maddie10 for £10 off your order. Flat. It just had a full clean. It is so weird to be here. It's literally like when we first moved in. Oh my god, how weird is that? Yeah. Guys, we're in the flat! We got the keys. I was on the airplane when Theo got the keys for the flat, but now we are here. Let me show you guys a little bit around. Also, please ignore the mess. We don't have any furniture to store anything in currently, so we only have the closet and the cabinets in the kitchen to store stuff. We're going to IKEA tomorrow. We're fixing it, but currently the only thing we have is a clothes rack and a Hoover. I'll show you guys around anyway. We have really tall ceilings and the outline of a fireplace. The window also has these really cute details. I love a good little ornamentation situation. Moving on to here, we have the entrance. Here is the bedroom, and then this is the way to the kitchen. There's some storage there, and then you have these cute little steps. The kitchen is beautiful, you guys, and there's so much light in this flat. We have a dishwasher, we have our washing machine and everything else that comes with the kitchen. Then next to the kitchen there's the bathroom, very standard bathroom. It is quite small, but I've lived in a dorm before. So I have had bathrooms way smaller than this and I don't really mind. It doesn't matter. And yeah, wait, I need to show you the bedroom first. A closet, then we have the window. We definitely need to get some storage in here, but that's tomorrow's task. Today's task is starting to put all my clothes in the closet. I brought a lot and I have more in boxes in storage, so we're gonna try to get all my luggage stuff into the closet today, so let's go. Welcome back. We didn't have any living room furniture, so the past days have literally just been like getting chairs, moving chairs, going to IKEA, getting like boxes and organization stuff. Vi har vel lokk også, kanskje?
Vi må jo ikke det.
Må vi? Tror vi må det. Jeg synes de var fine med lokk, ja.
Okay.
You pay, you decide.
Det får du ha med.
So yesterday we just went to IKEA, we got everything we needed there, including these shelves that I'm gonna build for you guys today, but of course we didn't have any screwdrivers, so I had to get that this morning. So I thought you and I could build these shelves together. Good morning. I still do not have any food, so I'm drinking the leftovers of yesterday's juice for breakfast, but I'm just waiting for all my items. Lovespace is bringing my boxes today, which I'm super excited about because then I can finally start eating proper food again and not just takeaway. Yesterday I had to flee to my friend Anastasia for dinner. Also excited about getting some furniture in this space because you can tell it's very echoey right now. Today's question all this stuff in a 34 square meter flat. Living room is such a mess. I'm actually getting our third furniture piece later today. It's a little shelving unit for the bedroom. Can't talk, can't think. Let's get packing. Found the kitchen box. It's this one. So we're gonna start by unboxing this one and then work our way through all of the boxes.
What I thought, that's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue.
What do we think? I love it. It is so nice. It was such a pain to build. I absolutely love how this turned out, and we really needed some extra space too.
Move so fast, was moving south. My secret sauce, move in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us.
I was anniversary shopping for Theo today actually, and then I went past Muji and I realized they had these drawers that you can put into your closet. So I got some because obviously I've been stacking my clothes up in my closet and it's not ideal because it falls over. So they look like this and they open up and you just stack them on top of each other inside the closet. So I tried to like rearrange some stuff in here so that the shorter things are here, the longer things are here, so I could make it like this essentially with one more drawer here. But yeah, super. Oh, my arm. I keep hurting myself, I swear. Anyway, what was I talking about? These. Let's put some clothes in this, shall we? Matches my KitchenAid smoothie machine. Alright guys, I think that's it. I'm gonna end this video here. So I'm super happy with everything and I hope you guys enjoy this moving out, moving in video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!